In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect HY300 Projector to computer. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have a PC or a laptop, you will be able to connect your HY300 Projector and mirror anything on the screen over to the projector. So to do this, you will have two main options. The first one is going to be by using an HDMI cable. I believe this is going to be the most reliable option. Even though it is a wired connection, it is more stable than something wireless. So I highly recommend that you try this first. And if you really want to go with the wireless option, then skip ahead in this video. So for this, you will need a standard HDMI cable. One of the ends of the cable will go into the PC or laptop, so look for an HDMI port on your graphics card or the motherboard, or on the side if you are using a laptop. And the other end goes into the projector. There is no secret to this. It is extremely straightforward, and upon doing this, your screen on the PC or laptop will be mirrored over. If needed, go over to the menu and look for the option to switch to the HDMI input connected to your projector. But usually as soon as you finish establishing this connection using the cable, it will automatically switch the input to HDMI. And this should work for any PC, any laptop that you have. Now, like I said before, if this isn't an option, maybe because you don't want a connection to be wired, you don't have an HDMI cable or something else, then the next option is going to be wireless. For this, you will have to use Miracast. Miracast is supported on most laptop models, but not all desktop PCs will have access to this feature. If you want to check, you can press Windows plus K, and you will be able to see the Miracast option pop up. So press Windows plus K, and this will allow you to connect your PC or laptop to nearby devices wirelessly. So you will have to open the Miracast app on the HY300 and then press Windows plus K to see this menu appear. So I hope I was able to help you on how to connect your HY300 projector to a computer. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. If you subscribe, you can help us from the channel bring you the highest quality videos. So I highly count on your support. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.